Good afternoon, friends. This is sivasakthi Hotel Management channel. Now today for we are making to a veg biryani. So let's go to the recipe. So yeah. Now veg biryani recipes. What are the ingredients to be added? Now I will tell you. Before that, so take 2 number of onions and take some curry leaves and green chili of 2 numbers and add some bay leaf and star anise and cinnamon and cloves and extra. And next one, add 2 or 3 number of carrots and 4 number of tomatoes and coriander leaves and mint leaves and add 2 number of potatoes, and this is for small pinch of lemon juice, and this one ginger garlic. So very slightly chopped, very small pieces of chopped, or otherwise you can take for grind paste. So next one for biryani rice or basmati rice. So now I soak the rice for up to 30 to 40 minutes. Now I take only for half kgs. So next one for masalas, biryani masala and red chilies, and take some ghee or oil, which one you want you can add, and salt and chili powders, and if you want extra means coriander powder also can add. Okay, now let's go to the video. Take one cooker. Now add the ghee. Wait for a few seconds to heat. So now next one for add bay leaves, cloves and cinnamon and star anise, and last for cardamom. Now saute for 1 or 2 minutes. So next add the onion. So already I told you take 2 number of onions, big onions. Okay. So add 2 numbers of green chilies only. So 4 slices, and add 4 to 5 red chilies. So now after till for golden brown color will come to onions. Okay. So whenever fry the onion, so onions before come for up to golden brown color. If you not fry for properly, if not come for a good taste for biryani or anything. So fry the onions up to till golden brown color. So now add some curry leaves. So if you want curry leaves, you can add. Otherwise, no need for curry leaves. Only take some coriander leaves and mint leaves only. Okay. So now you can add for some ginger garlic paste. Just add it for up to 30 to 40 seconds only. So next add the potatoes. And next add the carrots. Now just saute for 2 to 3 minutes. So now you can add the tomatoes. So this is a very important now still. So now you can saute for 10 to 15 minutes because this is raw vegetables. So if you continue to saute, then the raw vegetables should be is clearly disappeared for smell. Okay. After only you can add the rice and everything. Now till also is saute is going. Now see this. See here, raw vegetables should become for smell disappeared. So now you can add some masalas. So now add few pinch of turmeric powder. So next chili powder. Take two spoons. Then add the biryani masala. So now add the lemon juice. So salt still not added because after add the water, so you can check the salt and add the salt. Okay. Now add the coriander leaves and mint leaves. So if you want to add the salt, you can add one tablespoon of salt. So now let's see. Already I told half kg of rice I take. Now so measurement for, if you want to take more than 2 tumbler of, for example, now I tell you for example, if you want to take 2 cup of rice, you can add the water of 3 cup. So if you want more than 2 cup of rice, you can add some more 1 more cup for water. So already take for half kg of rice. Now add the rice. Now add the rice. Add the water. So just mix well. So after that you can check it again for salt. So now add some more salt. So already added for water. Now you can cover the lid. So give one whistles only, because if you give the time for 2 or 3 more whistles, so rice is not good for you. So give one whistles, it's enough for you. Okay, after one whistles, we are off the stove. Then after that, give a time for 10 to 15 minutes for steam. So after only you can open it. Now biryani is ready. So if you want more than rice, you can add some more cup of water. Now this vegetable biryani is ready.